So if England had been allowed to use this for the last 100 years, then maybe they'd never have lost the Ashes.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
Back in 1906, a chap called Venn, V-E-N-N, yes, that's Venn Diagrams. He was at Caius College, a fellow there, but he was also an inventor, that's not a pun, and he came up with this cricket ball bowling machine. And it's a fabulous thing, and we've built a full-size one, and we've been giving it its first tryout today.
1.
Oh, beautiful. Well played too.
I'm not a cricketer, so I didn't get to face it. But the people who did face it found it a bit strange because you don't see the bowler running up.
0.
This machine is quite a neat gizmo. It's got a spin thing on it, which means you can get the ball really spinning, much more than a normal bowler could do. So they had a bit of trouble working out how to hit this ball because it was spinning so much. Back in 1906, the story is that the Australian cricket team, which was visiting at the time, it bowled 5 deliveries in a row, and they just couldn't hit it. I suspect that may well be because of the prodigious amount of spin there was on the ball, and also they did. Health and safety back then perhaps wasn't as big a thing as it is now. They were pretty fast deliveries.
3, 2, 1.
We're pretty conscious we didn't want to injure anybody, so it's been producing nice, difficult to hit deliveries with lots of spin. It's a bit like Shane Warne didn't have to bowl fast, but he could certainly get people out.